Good morning, students. Today's topic is poster making. So, what is a poster? A poster is a very useful means of making an announcement or appeal, issuing a notice, advertising a product, or bringing about awareness on any issue of public interest. A poster should be visually attractive and readable from a distance. They are extensively used by NGOs, political parties, government departments, etc. Tips to attempt a question on poster making. Let us now dig deeper to know more about making the best poster. Essentially, a very brief communication with a compelling visual and a powerful message. A poster is always prepared with a particular target audience in mind. It very clearly mentions the theme or the topic, schedule of an event, and the respective occasion. It can be of following types: an appeal for awareness or support, help or action, a warning or a caution, in the form of an invitation, like posters for carnivals, fests, concerts, exhibitions, etc., workshops, seminars. Format of a poster. First, make a box. So, at the top, in the first line, you have to write issuing authority, like by whom or by which organization the poster is being published. And then in the next line, tagline of the event. It has to be in accordance with the question. A catchy tagline for the occasion. It should be clearly visible. Thus, it can be bold, underlined, or in capitals. Title of the event. It should be short and as per the question. Special attractions. This is optional. For example, guest speaker, etc. Illustration. It involves pictorial representation. For example, a drop of blood for a blood donation camp. Date, time, and venue. It is very important to mention date, time, and venue of the event. It is a point you cannot risk forgetting. Contact information. In case of an inquiry, the targeted audience should have someone to contact to. Other relevant information. If there is any other information mentioned in the question, is supposed to be there in the poster. It is important you mention it. Things to remember while attempting a question on poster making. Things to remember while attempting a question on poster making are like this. It should not be strictly exceed the prescribed word limit of 50 words. It should be in a box. Make sure you double check for grammatical accuracy and spellings. They carry marks. Make sure it fits within one page only. Use sharpened pencil. Bold or underline important information. No usage of short terms or slangs. It is not acceptable. Don't exceed the prescribed word limit. So this is the end of the today's lecture. So see the video. If you have any doubt, just comment it. So we will meet soon with the next video. Have a nice day.